Welcome to my channel. It's been a long time since I've done a beauty video, but you know, I suck. So I'm expecting something to go really wrong here because I've not done one for a while. I have just done my eye, and to be honest with you, I wasn't going to do a beauty video. I was going to just not do one, but then my eye decided to be a pain in the bum in the gym, and so I had to pull my eyelash off, and I just thought, do you know what? Let's just do one anyway. So for me, this is like Joker inspired like neon-y, purpley eyeshadow creation, whatever you want to call it. So anyway, I've prepped my eye with concealer. My eyebrows are already done. I've started using the new Tattoo Brow gel thing. Tried the other one, didn't like that when you pull it off. But I was using another one, but it wasn't really making my eyebrows stick out, so I did that. I've used that one anyway. So you can prep your eye with any concealer, it doesn't matter which one. And we're going to be using today the blood sugar palette. And the first colour we're going to go in with is this pink with a fluffy brush. I do kind of cheat a little bit because I do use a black from my Violet Voss palette, rainbow palette. So I kind of cheat a little bit, but so it's not totally all Jeffree Star, but it mainly is. So, well, the green's not even from Jeffree Star. Oh well. Anyway, we'll get to that. Doesn't matter. Anyway, I just wanted to do this look. I've been saying I'm going to do this look for a long time because I've been poorly and just not really wanted to do it. So I start joking. Well-timed cough there. So yeah, let's just lay this down. Do you know what the thing does my head in? I don't know if anyone else gets this same problem, but I'll always do one eye, and for some reason I always get problems with the other eye. Like I'll do this eye and then it goes okay, and then I'll go to this eye and it's like they're not level, or is my eyes weird? I mean, have I got wonky eyes? I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, we'll just shut up, Paul, and just get on with it anyway. So yeah, I mean, the first video that you will see on my channel actually won't be this one. It'll be the cohorted box because I got my cohort box today, got it a day late because I missed the post. So you'll see this eye makeup on that video. And if you've watched my cohort unboxing, then you'll already seen that I've got this eye look on it. But like I said, I was in the gym and it felt like there was something in my eye. And I only had eyeliner on and basically eyeliner and eyelashes, so it felt like there was something in my eye, and it was really, really bugging me. And I've been poking my eye, and just, yeah. So I decided just to pull my eyelash off and just get rid of it, and just, I thought, stuff it, I will just do this. So here we are doing this. Right, so the next colour we're going to use is Coma. Now, I don't know if anyone else has used the Jeffree Star palette. Blood Sugar, I love the Blood Sugar palette, do not get me wrong, but this purple is like, it's not the easiest to use. I keep thinking my eyelashes hanging off, but I did. It's not the easiest to use, so what I tend to do is I tend to pat it in a little bit. It's just really difficult because like if you properly like not dig into it so it's ruining your eyeshadow, but just put a bit more pressure on just to get the pigment off. It's a really, really beautiful colour. It's just one of the ones in the palette I do find really like tough to use. I love using it, but it's just tough to use. Right. And if my eyes look a bit wonky and not the same afterwards, it doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, eyelashes cover a lot of sins, don't they? So you can't really tell anyway. So whatever. It doesn't matter. The fact is we tried. Right. Before I do the green, I will like show you and everything before I actually use it, because obviously when I use it, I like to use concealer and leave it a little bit tacky. So the pigment, because it is pigment, will stick to it, and it does get on your face and you're going to have to wipe your face. So if you are going to do a full face, do your face afterwards, because this green is going to go everywhere. It usually does for me. It didn't do it too bad on this eye, actually. It is a bit on my nose, I think. But it, yeah, it goes everywhere. So just bear that in mind. If you're going to use this pigment, it does go everywhere. I mean, I don't know. Pigments probably do, because they're just loose eyeshadow, aren't they? But whatever. It's going to go everywhere. It just is. That's a fact. So before I use that, I will show you it. Right, so I'm just going to dip into the Violet Voss, and it's just the black Eclipse. And try not to get too much. I just try to just like dab the very ending, because otherwise you're going to get a big massive black mess of eyeshadow everywhere. And we don't want that. All I want to do is just darken that. I knew something would go wrong, I swear. I knew it. We're just going to just darken this bit up a little bit, that's all. And it's just the purple's beaut, but it can't get that darkness in the corner that we are wanting. Right, so before we go into doing the cut and laying this pigment down, I'm just going to show you it, because I did order some off of a different site called Peaches and Cream, and they're nice, but they're really small pot, and they didn't seem to give me the payoff that I really wanted. If you look at this, it's like really green, and I've got like a yellowy green colour, so I'll have to do another tutorial using that one as well. But this is what we're looking at. You can see how neon that is, right? Like, there you go, that is how neon it is. And this is from a place called Lux La Rose, and they cost about the same price, yet you get about 3 times as much pigment as what you do with the Peaches and Cream. The Peaches and Cream are really small. So yeah, and the payoff for that is, well, obviously it looks really amazing. I mean, I could do a video where I compared them both to show you what they're like, but we don't know. We will see. Got some glue stuck to me. Right, so now this is the part. Ugh, the bit I don't really like doing. So we're gonna get some concealer. Like I said, I'm using the Unique one, but you can use any concealer, it doesn't matter. You could use the Revolution one, it doesn't matter. Concealer is concealer, so, you know, whatever. Right, so we're gonna put some of this on. Oh, I hope I ain't got too much here. I think out of all the eyeshadow look, this bit is gonna be the worst. Because while it's tacky, I need to do 2 things. I need to put like a bit of pink down here, and then I need to make sure like so. Okay, while it's just doing it, I know I can't really show, but I'm going into Cavity, just the light pink, just to blend this little bit here. And I'm only using this stupid brush because I can't be bothered to pick another one up. It's like I'm trying to keep my eyes shut. Right, so we do that just to blend that into the purple there. Obviously we will, you know, gonna look so stupid right now. Right, I'm just trying to do it so it doesn't go everywhere. And then pick that green up, and I'm gonna pat it on. Just keep layering that up until the pigment starts paying off. So you will have to most probably layer it a little bit. But like I said, it's like really nice. Like you can see, it's really vibrant. And it's just amazing. It's just, I saw someone else's video doing a similar kind of look, and she used this pigment, and I was like, wow, I've bought this other one and it's just not give me the payoff that I want. Right, so I'm going to just get a little bit more of that cabbagey pink. This is just a very bright pink out of the Jeffree Star palette. And just so that green's not like a solid edge. Okay. And then I'm just hoping that I've done this right, because the way it looks at me, it's like, it looks like I've done it wrong. Oh well. Need a baby light because I've got it down here. Like I said, it doesn't matter too much. Oh, pull that off. I pull that off, like. Okay, and I'm gonna wipe. Did I use this one now? I didn't know. I'm not gonna use one. Forget that. I'm not gonna wipe anything. I'm gonna get this brush and I'm gonna take the colour Pearl, which is this lovely pretty colour here. I'm just gonna pop that in the corner, just for a little bit of bling, and then I'm gonna just pop some just under there. Actually, when I first started recording this, I didn't realise my brush had like a black colour on it. So when I tried putting it on, I had this dark grey colour going on, and I was like, no. So I had to like sort it out. Don't worry, I did sort it out. I had to sort it out. I'm gonna wipe that brush off, and I'm just gonna take. I don't normally use liquid eyeliner. If you ever see my videos and I say I don't normally use them, I don't normally use it, but because I'm only doing this, so you can't see the, where the lashes are. It doesn't matter because I've got watery eyes, so it doesn't always stay on very well for me. This. This is just so. Sorry if my arm's getting in the way. This is just so it's gonna hide the line for the lashes is all. Nothing amazing, just that's all it's for. Then I'm gonna take. I've got this Big Bad Girl Bang Benefit eyelash. It's just mascara, it's not eyelash anything. I told you my brain's not working properly. Because I've not done a video for so long, I'm just like, oh god. Oh, everyone's watching me doing my makeup if it ever goes wrong. Yeah, whatever. What an idiot you're all thinking. So I can't remember what eyelashes I've got. I think they're a pair of Final Bosses, but they're really pretty ones. I should really start remembering where they're from and what they are. I'm useless for that. I'm just noticed a bit of my hair sticking out. Ugh. How rude. Right, so putting some of this on. And this is the House of Lashes glue. I do want to actually try some eyelashes from somewhere else. I've been looking at, is it House of Lashes? I've been looking at those. And I know a lot of YouTubers use them and they look really, really lush. I really want to try them. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Just gonna get some of that deep purple again while waiting for that tone. And just go under here. This is where I make weird faces and pull stupid faces because I'm doing underneath my eye. Do you know what, that freaked me out then? There was a wasp literally trying to get in the window. And it looked like it was like on the window where I am. And I'm like, wow. Crazy. And again, just to darken that up a little bit, I'm just going to take a tiny bit of black. Not much. Just to deepen that up. I won't be doing a full video like of foundation stuff because I just can't be bothered. Call me lazy if you like, but I just can't be bothered. at the end of the day, this is the main bit, and if you like it, I'm sure you'll do this with all your beautiful foundation and everything, or you just won't do it at all. Think, why did she bother? Just waiting for this dry. So yeah, kind of enjoyed doing this video. Stuff did go wrong a little bit, not too much to be honest, but I think, you know, we didn't do too bad, did we? We didn't do too bad at all. Just putting the brushes away while I'm waiting for this glue to dry. So yeah, we've used the Blood Sugar palette and the beautiful Violet Voss Rainbow palette, which, to be honest, I'm in two minds of getting the Flamingo palette. Some people are saying it's good, and then some people are saying it's rubbish, and it's like, there's a colour in it I really want. It's like a teal blue colour, and I really love teal blue, and I just don't know. I mean, I've seen someone do a video of it and it looks amazing, but I don't know. And then there's what is it called? Rain, Coloured Rain. There's like a palette there, isn't there, where they've got like different colours, and I have seen on the site, not in the actual the little pack you get with them all in, I can't remember what it's called, but there is like a teal colour you can get separate from them, and I was nearly going to order like that, the Bright collection, and then that, but I don't know, because some people are saying it's rubbish, so I don't know, I should maybe stop listening to people and judge for myself. I mean, because guaranteed if something don't work or it's rubbish, then I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you because I'm honest, and there is a couple of palettes I've actually got that I don't like, and I can't use them because the eyeshadows are just, they're not what you think. So maybe I should do like a video showing you what palettes I have got and what I think's good and what I think's rubbish and stuff. Maybe I should do that. Well, comment down below if you think I should do that. I don't know if you're interested in that kind of thing. Right, so there we have it. Purple, dark purple, hint of black, and neon green. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I will try my best to not get ill, and I will try my best to get a video popped out every week, at least every week. I'll try and do 2 if I can, but at least 1 a week. So please, if there's anything else you'd like to see, like, I don't know, like something to do with my tattoos or piercings and stuff like that, and some piercings I've lost, just let me know. Don't be afraid to comment. I will reply because I'm that sort of person and I really like hearing from you. So thank you and bye.